Hello mga bay, kumusta man mo diha bay? Saan naman ni oy? Nagkagis ta aning
Mamay.
no it. Nagkagis ko aning kuan kay nasunog. Nasunog ning tinapay nga akong gisugba. Mahaw ta bay. Napay paguman ako himo sa pamahaw ni inahan ug ni amahan. Karon kami na po yung amahaw kay
No cold.
no cold. Cold. Kami na po mamahaw ni Preya. Kaya si Preya oh. Naniwang na siya, gamay na siya aping oh na. Na.
Husband.
Husband till you now you super small. Asa naman ang ano dito day? Sandok yung pamahaw namin by isang tinapay. At ito no, bansang pagkain ng OFW. Indian noodles. Si Preya ang nag-cook. Preya is the one who cooked this one. You put in the bread, nice. Enough? Mahaw tabay niyo. Mura niyo madali sa OFW bay. OFW. Indian?
Indian.
IFW. Name. Indian.
Ano?
OIW. Indian. Sabay meaning sa OFW. Na-loading naman tani. Overseas Filipino workers. Kung sa Indian, overseas Indian workers. Name? Overseas Indian workers. Because in Philippines, overseas Filipino workers. Indian, overseas Indian workers. OIW.
Catering.
Catering?
Cooking. Catering.
Catering cooking? No, I mean in Indian, if you go to other country, what's the name? What's the name of you?
Preya.
Preya? No, Preya. Like me, I'm from Philippines. The government call us OFW. Overseas Filipino workers. In India, what's
GGHS. Government school.
government school?
GGHS.
But you are not studying. You are working.
Government school Talsiri.
Sige, mo na lang to kay GG school. Bahala ka diha dayo eh. Ano siya naman ni mamahaw tabay. Ang kamera na ko nasa ubos. This is pamahaw in Philippines.
Tomato. Green beans.
This is long. And then
Cut.
cut and then
Potato.
put a lot. You make I try. Preya, tomorrow you make I taste. Okay? But it smells, huh? Night you make. Finish work you make. What you need I cut the potato. What you need I cut.
Cut.
Cut small. Cubes. Square small. Potato. What else?
Potato.
Potato, beans.
Beans.
What else? Onion, garlic.
Onion no.
Only potato eh. Carrots.
Potato. Beans.
Carrots.
Carrots.
Mahaba, mahay. Mahaw, mahay. Kamay na gid akong aping. May also become small now.
Tomorrow morning puri.
Puri? You want to make puri? Okay.
Oil.
Okay.
Curry. Puri curry.
Curry, you want curry?
Chicken curry.
You need chicken curry with a puri? We have chicken curry. The Indian chicken curry.
Tomato curry.
You make. You make your food, I try. You make Indian food, I try. Okay? Finish quickly. Like this nice, huh? Coffee. Morning you like? Tomorrow puri. Next tomorrow another breakfast.
Night.
Night finish work you make. What you make? Noodles?
Night. Puri.
Puri? Okay.
Night puri. Cooking.
Flour. What you need? Flour? Puri in India nice.
Puri. Night cooking. Tomorrow morning eat. Night eat.
Night cooking.
Night cooking. Night eat.
Night mixing.
No. Night cooking. Night in.
Morning eat.
Morning eat. Night eat.
Morning okay. Morning eat, night eat okay.
Hard.
Make hot oven. Microwave. Mama? Mama done? What's that? See my ginger and potato?
Okay. Tomato.
Huh?
Tomato.
When apple I will plant also.
Potato.
Potato? Potato.
Hmm.
That one I plant. Potato and ginger. Super. Man anibay mang laba. Very was Preya ayon.
Super.
Super. Nice. Nice with egg, huh?
Night. Egg curry. Egg curry puri.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know. You make. You make, huh?
Mary helping you?
I help you. Me help. I will help you.
Preya.
Preya cooking, I will see and help. Okay?
Surprise Baba Mama.
No problem. No problem.
Mama Baba two puri.
Okay. No problem. They like puri.
Puri egg curry.
In India, in beach, ocean, we always, every day we make puri.
Milk powder.
Milk powder, we have a lot. Milk powder, big. I will let you see. Milk powder too much, we have a lot. Oil.
Chapati. This no. Chapati godam.
Godam?
Godam.
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 Godam. What's that godam? Godam, Google. Sarap. Breakfast finished, Preya. You will are you now the dress baby water.
Water?
You make like this. You scattered. You didn't scatter.
English godam.
English ng godambe. Which one?
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഗോതമ്പിന് പറയുന്നത് അത് വരുന്നില്ല.
Nothing? Gudumbi. Nag-google siya ang English na gudumbi.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ ഗോതമ്പിന് പറയുന്നത്
Parine? Nothing. Putos. Sino putos?
പൊട്ടൂസ്.
Google Translate. What's the gudumbi? Flour? Sugar?
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഗോതമ്പ്.
No, you only say gudumbe.
ഗോതമ്പ്.
Don't say English.
ഗോതമ്പ്. ഇന്ത്യൻ ക്രിക്കറ്റ്.
What's he said? You say Gaudam and then the picture.
ഗോതമ്പ്.
You say nicely.
ഗോതമ്പ്.
According to Wikipedia. Nothing?
This
My phone. Sige, godum. Mag-google daw mi ana yang istorya gudumbe. Okay, bye my friend. Bye. Breakfast is finished. Mo ni amo ang morning duty. Morning routine ni Preya and me. Kaya ako nalaman man diri. Tawagon na siya sa iyang amo. Adto na siya sa ilang apartment. Ang iyang amo kay anak sa among agawon nga lalaki. Kay diri ang mga lalaki mga diri magminyo, diri magpuyo sa ginikanan. Ang babae magminyo dito magpuyo sa ginikanan sa lalaki. Nya usara may anak aning akong among lalaki. Nya kaning tulo mga babae magminyo ni sila didto na pud sila puyo. Magulian na siya diri mag-visit. Okay, thank you, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.